Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to use the now bar on lock screen for live info in your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. At first we have to go straight to the settings of our phone, and now we have to go into the lock screen, which is over here. Lock screen and AOD. Here, as you can see, the fifth option is no bar. Tap that. Here, if we tap view more, we can find all the different things. Make notifications for ongoing activities more visible. Like notification will appear on the lock screen on the status bar on the top of the notification panel. So actually here we can select the applications that will be in the like notifications tab. I do allow for the supports from Google, media player. Here as you can see they have maps, but we can adjust the maps in the settings, interpreter, logs, clock, voice recorder, etc. Now we can go back, and here unfortunately we have no brief, which is the personalized briefing with just content that actions that change throughout the day. So for example, here we can set the weather, and throughout the day we'll see here the information about the weather, and if we tap that, Samsung can use the AI to get us the best info. We can enable that, and here as wait a moment, here as you can see we do have the current mode, but I left it for a moment. Here as you can see we have current mode, enable that, and enable do not disturb. Now let me for example enter the maps from Google, and here if we enter maps I'll set the direction. For example, let me search here for something like that. Here directions from, for example, home. I don't know where my home is. It's here. Preview. This is our preview. And now if we lock our phone and unlock it, we can see that this is our now brief, and we can tap our now brief, and if we start this route we will see our maps. Here as you can see we do have our now brief, and now if we swipe to unlock, if we for example do this from our location, we can see that here we'll see, wait a moment, let me enter my lock screen. Here as you can see we do have our live info about our navigation. We can now here, if we turn on our phone, we can tap that and exit navigation to stop navigating. It's that easy actually. This is all for the live info now bar. As for the privacy, you can use nowhere even when the phone is locked, as you can see, but if there is some sensitive info, you can adjust that while going back to the settings, and here in the settings go here to just lock screen AOD here, and search for the doesn't hold to edit. Check that, because you can unlock your phone then to use to edit this. And apart from that, you can go back and go straight to the notifications over here. Now go straight to the lock screen, and here you can, as you can see, disable or enable show notifications. You can for example set cards, and apart from that you can tap hide content when locked. Hide when locked, and actually that's it for the privacy things. And actually that's it. Hope it helps you, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.